Hi, in this video I will tell you how you can disable or turn off dynamic port option for Infinix and TECNO phones. This option is introduced in XOS and iOS 15, and in this video I will tell you how you can turn off this for specific apps or turn it off altogether. So if you want to turn it off, you just have to go to settings and then go to special function and then dynamic port. You can also search for it. Just search here dynamic port. This option is called dynamic port, so I will just searching dynamic, so it will come up. So here you can see that there is option to turn it off altogether, or you can turn it off for specific features like NFC, game countdown. Let's say I am recording the screen of this mobile right now, so I want to turn off for only screen recording. I turned this toggle off. The screen recording feature is now not showing up in dynamic port, but it is showing in the notification panel. So if I want to turn it back on, I just tap this and it will turn back on. So from here you can turn it off altogether, and this will not show up for any app, music. And if you want to turn it back on, just tap here and it will turn back on, and you can turn it off for specific features as well. If you have any more problems or if you want to know more about this feature, just let me know in the comments and I will guide you through it. Hope you like this video. If you want to see more of this, you can subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.